Hello, dear friends. My name is Vячеслав Sадовникov. I'm the owner of the School of Languages Anglican. I engage in teaching foreign languages, English, German. My level of English is C2, the level of mastery, which is confirmed by certificates CPE, CAE, Business English Certificate Higher ICFE, which I passed with merit, receiving 94 marks. I also know German at level C1 and French at B2. In German, I have Goethe Certificate C1. And in French, Certificate of Chamber of Commerce and Industry, DFPFR, level B2. I studied online in the UK. I have CIMA designation. 15 papers in English in financial management, management accounting, business management, and management. I have higher education diploma cum laude, grade point average 4.9. Top 3 graduates. I teach general, financial, and business English. I conduct individual and group lessons. I can help you to learn language for work, studies, travel, self-development, examination, admission to university, obtaining an international certificate. The age of students doesn't matter. Classes take place via Zoom or Teams. I focus on communication, spoken practice in real situations, and program which I will customize specifically for you. I will help you with correct pronunciation, speech, and writing, prepare you for obtaining certificates. Levels from A1 to C2. You will begin speaking English in 3 months. The older you get, the harder is learning language because there are less neuronic ties in the brain. Therefore, don't postpone. Learn the language right now. Register for a lesson. Join our group in VK by clicking a link under this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. For this, press the bell. Thanks everyone and have a good day. Bye bye.